Today we are solving the JEE Advanced Mathematics paper 2019. Let AP, here the difference is D and the first term is A, denote the set of all the terms of an infinite arithmetic progression with first term A and the common difference D is greater than 0. So we can write for this for first AP we have A equals to 1 and common difference is 3 and common difference is equals to 3 as it is AP of 1 and 3. So first term is 1 and the common difference is 3, and for the second AP we can written as A equals to 2 and common difference D equals to 5, as this AP is 2 and 5. So first term is 2 and the common difference is D is 5, and for third AP we can write A equals to 3 and D equals to 7, as this AP is 3 and 7. So first term is 3 and the difference is 7. So for the first AP 3n plus 1, here we have for first AP 1 and 3. The first term is 1 and the difference is 3. So this is the formula of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. The formula of AP is this: A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is first term and D is the common difference So we can written all AP, the first term and common difference of all three is 1 plus n minus 1 into 3 for the first AP, and for the second AP, if this is n is written as m, so first term is 2 plus m minus 1 into 5. Here difference is D for the second AP, and for third AP first term is 3 if the common difference is 7, and if the nth term is written as k, this is k minus 1 into 7. So from this equation we can write 3n plus 1 divided by 5 is equals to m, and 3n plus 2 divided by 7 is equals to k. These two equation can be written as from this. So m and k are the integer here. So at n equals to 18 and m equals to 11 and k equals to 8. At n equals to 18, here m equals to 11 and k equals to 8. N equals to 18 means this is 18 into 3 plus 1 by 5. This is 11, and here this is 18 into 3 plus 2 by 7. K is 8 for the first term. So for the first term of AP, for first term of AP, here in the first AP this is 1 plus and n equals to 18. 18 minus 1 into 3. This equals to 52. And the common difference is equals to LCM of the all common differences 3, 5 and 7. The LCM of all the common differences are 105. So here this is for the first AP. So here A plus D is equals to, here this is 52 plus 105, this is 157. So this is the answer for this question. So that's all for today.